In a small village, there lived a kind little girl named Amina. She loved to draw but had no pencils or colors. She used a stick to draw on the ground, dreaming of one day making real paintings. One day, an old woman saw Amina drawing and said, "Here, my dear, take this magic paintbrush. Whatever you paint will come to life." Amina gasped, "Really?" The old woman nodded and disappeared into the wind. Amina excitedly tested the paintbrush. She painted an apple and poof, a real apple appeared. She painted a butterfly and it fluttered into the sky. "This is amazing," she cheered. Instead of keeping the magic for herself, Amina thought of her village. She painted food for the hungry, new houses for the homeless, and fresh water for dry wells. The villagers cheered, "Amina, you are a hero." A greedy man saw Amina's magic and took the brush, painting gold and jewels. But when he tried to take them, they disappeared. The old woman appeared and said, "This brush only works for those with kind hearts." The greedy man realized his mistake and returned the brush. Amina kept using the paintbrush to help others, making her village a happy and colorful place. And so she learned that kindness and sharing bring true magic to the world.